Surah Al-Anbiya, the Prophets. This surah is Meccan, containing 7 sections and 112 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
اقترب للناس حسابهم وهم في غفلة معرضون.
The accountability of the people has drawn near, yet they turn away in heedlessness.
ما يأتيهم من ذكر من ربهم محدث إلا استمعوه وهم يلعبون.
Whenever new advice comes to them from their Lord, they only listen to it flippantly.
لاهية قلوبهم وأسروا النجوى الذين ظلموا هل هذا إلا بشر مثلكم أفتأتون السحر وأنتم تبصرون.
Their hearts are occupied with frivolity, and the oppressors consulted in secret. Is he but a human like you? Do you then come to sorcery while you see?
قال ربي يعلم القول في السماء والأرض وهو السميع العليم.
He, the Prophet ﷺ said, My Lord knows every word in the sky and the earth, and He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
بل قالوا أضغاث أحلام بل افتراه بل هو شاعر فليأتنا بآية كما أرسل الأولون.
Rather, they the disbelievers said, This Quran is from his false dreams. No, he has fabricated it. Rather, he is a poet, so let him bring forth a sign to us like the previous messengers who were sent.
ما آمنت قبلهم من قرية أهلكناها أفهم يؤمنون.
We destroyed before them any village which did not believe. Will they then believe?
وما أرسلنا قبلك إلا رجالا نوحي إليهم فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون.
And we only sent men before you to whom we would send the revelation. So ask the people of knowledge if you do not know.
وما جعلناهم جسدا لا يأكلون الطعام وما كانوا خالدين.
And we did not create them as bodies that do not eat food, and they were not immortal.
ثم صدقناهم الوعد فأنجيناهم ومن نشاء وأهلكنا المسرفين.
Then we fulfilled our promise. So we granted salvation to them and whomsoever we willed, and we destroyed the transgressors.
لقد أنزلنا إليكم كتابا فيه ذكركم أفلا تعقلون.
We have certainly revealed a book to you in which there is your renown. So do you not have intelligence?
وكم قصمنا من قرية كانت ظالمة وأنشأنا بعدها قوما آخرين.
And how many villages have we destroyed, the inhabitants of which were oppressors? And we created another nation after them.
فلما أحسوا بأسنا إذا هم يركضون.
So when they sensed our punishment, they suddenly began to flee from it.
لا تركضوا وارجعوا إلى ما أترفتم فيه ومساكنكم لعلكم تسألون.
Do not run away and return to that in which you were granted luxuries, and towards your homes. Perhaps you shall be questioned.
قالوا يا ويلنا إنا كنا ظالمين.
They said, "Destruction for us. Indeed, we were oppressors."
فما زالت تلك دعواهم حتى جعلناهم حصيدا خامدين.
This remained their cry until we made them scythed, extinguished.
وما خلقنا السماء والأرض وما بينهما لاعبين.
We did not create the sky and the earth and all that lies between them for amusement.
لو أردنا أن نتخذ لهوا لاتخذناه من لدنا إن كنا فاعلين.
Had we intended to take an amusement, we would have taken it from our court if we were to do so.
بل نقذف بالحق على الباطل فيدمغه فإذا هو زاهق ولكم الويل مما تصفون.
Rather, we cast the truth upon falsehood, leaving it obliterated, and it is eradicated, and destruction is for you due to that which you claim.
وله من في السماوات والأرض ومن عنده لا يستكبرون عن عبادته ولا يستحسرون.
And to him belongs all that is in the heavens and the earth, and those who are with him are neither too arrogant to worship him, nor do they tire.
يسبحون الليل والنهار لا يفترون.
They glorify him by night and day. They are not indolent.
أم اتخذوا آلهة من الأرض هم ينشرون.
Have they made gods from the earth who resurrect the dead?
لو كان فيهما آلهة إلا الله لفسدتا فسبحان الله رب العرش عما يصفون.
Had there been gods other than Allah therein, the heavens and the earth would certainly have been destroyed. So Allah, the Lord of the throne, Al-Arsh, is free from what they claim.
لا يسأل عما يفعل وهم يسألون.
He is not questioned about what he does, and they will be questioned.
أم اتخذوا من دونه آلهة قل هاتوا برهانكم هذا ذكر من معي وذكر من قبلي بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون الحق فهم معرضون.
Have they made gods other than Allah? Say, bring forth your evidence. This Quran is the remembrance of those who are with me and the mention of those before me. Rather, most of them do not know the truth, so they turn away.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك من رسول إلا نوحي إليه أنه لا إله إلا أنا فاعبدون.
And we did not send any messenger before you, except that we revealed to him, there is no God but me, so worship only me.
وقالوا اتخذ الرحمن ولدا سبحانه بل عباد مكرمون.
And they, the disbelievers, said, the infinitely gracious has taken children. He is pure. Rather, they, the angels, are honored creation.
لا يسبقونه بالقول وهم بأمره يعملون.
They do not precede him in speech, and they obey his command.
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يشفعون إلا لمن ارتضى وهم من خشيته مشفقون.
He knows what is in front of them and what is behind them, and they do not intercede except for one whom he is pleased with, and they, the angels, are afraid in fear of him.
ومن يقل منهم إني إله من دونه فذلك نجزيه جهنم كذلك نجزي الظالمين.
And whosoever among them says, indeed I am a god other than him, we will recompense him with hell. Thus we shall recompense the oppressors.
أولم ير الذين كفروا أن السماوات والأرض كانتا رتقا ففتقناهما وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي أفلا يؤمنون.
And did the disbelievers not think that the heavens and the earth were together, so we split them apart, and we made every living thing from water? Will they not believe?
وجعلنا في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بهم وجعلنا فيها فجاجا سبلا لعلهم يهتدون.
And we have placed firm anchors in the earth that it may not move with them, and we made wide paths therein that they may find their way.
وجعلنا السماء سقفا محفوظا وهم عن آياتها معرضون.
And we made the sky a protected canopy, and yet they turn away from its signs.
وهو الذي خلق الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر كل في فلك يسبحون.
And it is he who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon. All are moving in orbit.
وما جعلنا لبشر من قبلك الخلد أفإن مت فهم الخالدون.
And we did not grant immortality to any human being before you. So if you die, will they live forever?
كل نفس ذائقة الموت ونبلوكم بالشر والخير فتنة وإلينا ترجعون.
Every soul will taste death. We test you through evil and good as a trial, and to us you will be returned.
وإذا رآك الذين كفروا إن يتخذونك إلا هزوا أهذا الذي يذكر آلهتكم وهم بذكر الرحمن هم كافرون.
And when the disbelievers see you, they only make you the focus of mockery, saying, is this the one who speaks ill of your gods? And yet they deny the remembrance of the infinitely gracious.
خلق الإنسان من عجل سأريكم آياتي فلا تستعجلون.
And man has been created of haste. Soon I will show you my signs, so do not seek haste from me.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when will this promise come to pass if you are truthful?
لو يعلم الذين كفروا حين لا يكفون عن وجوههم النار ولا عن ظهورهم ولا هم ينصرون.
If the disbelievers only knew of the time when they will neither be able to keep the fire away from their faces nor from their backs, and they will not be helped.
بل تأتيهم بغتة فتبهتهم فلا يستطيعون ردها ولا هم ينظرون.
Rather, it will suddenly come upon them, so it will bewilder them. Then they will not be able to turn it away, and they will not be given respite.
ولقد استهزئ برسل من قبلك فحاق بالذين سخروا منهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
The messengers before you were also ridiculed, but those who mocked them were engulfed by that very punishment which they ridiculed.
قل من يكلؤكم بالليل والنهار من الرحمن بل هم عن ذكر ربهم معرضون.
Say, dear beloved Prophet, who will protect you by night and day from the punishment of the infinitely gracious? Rather they turn away from the remembrance of their Lord.
أم لهم آلهة تمنعهم من دوننا لا يستطيعون نصر أنفسهم ولا هم منا يصحبون.
Do they have gods who will save them from us? They are not able to help themselves, and they are not given aid from us.
بل متعنا هؤلاء وآباءهم حتى طال عليهم العمر أفلا يرون أنا نأتي الأرض ننقصها من أطرافها أفهم الغالبون.
Rather, we allowed them and their forefathers to take benefit until life became long for them. So do they not see that we are constricting the borders of the land? So will they prevail?
قل إنما أنذركم بالوحي ولا يسمع الصم الدعاء إذا ما ينذرون.
Say, I warn you only through revelation, and the deaf do not hear the call when they are warned.
ولئن مستهم نفحة من عذاب ربك ليقولن يا ويلنا إنا كنا ظالمين.
And if they are touched by the air of your Lord's punishment, they shall most definitely say, destruction for us. Indeed, we were oppressors.
ونضع الموازين القسط ليوم القيامة فلا تظلم نفس شيئا وإن كان مثقال حبة من خردل أتينا بها وكفى بنا حاسبين.
We shall place the scales of justice on the day of judgment, so no soul will be oppressed in the least, and even if a deed is the size of a mustard seed, we shall bring it forth, and we suffice as a reckoner.
ولقد آتينا موسى وهارون الفرقان وضياء وذكرا للمتقين.
We certainly gave Musa and Harun the criterion to distinguish right and wrong, a light and a reminder for the pious.
الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب وهم من الساعة مشفقون.
Those who fear their Lord unseen, and they are afraid of the hour.
وهذا ذكر مبارك أنزلناه أفأنتم له منكرون.
And this is sacred remembrance which we have revealed. So do you deny it?
ولقد آتينا إبراهيم رشده من قبل وكنا به عالمين.
And we certainly granted Ibrahim his wisdom previously, for we knew him to be worthy of it.
إذ قال لأبيه وقومه ما هذه التماثيل التي أنتم لها عاكفون.
Remember when he said to his father, i.e., uncle, and his nation, what are these statues to which you are so devoted?
قالوا وجدنا آباءنا لها عابدين.
They said, we found our forefathers worshipping them.
قال لقد كنتم أنتم وآباؤكم في ضلال مبين.
He replied, surely you and your forefathers are in clear misguidance.
قالوا أجئتنا بالحق أم أنت من اللاعبين.
They said, have you brought the truth to us, or are you among those who jest?
قال بل ربكم رب السماوات والأرض الذي فطرهن وأنا على ذلكم من الشاهدين.
He said, rather your Lord is the Lord of the heavens and the earth, he who created them, and I am among the witnesses to this.
وتالله لأكيدن أصنامكم بعد أن تولوا مدبرين.
And I swear by Allah, I will most definitely act against your idols after you go turning your backs.
فجعلهم جذاذا إلا كبيرا لهم لعلهم إليه يرجعون.
So he broke them into pieces except for the largest one, so that they might return to it.
قالوا من فعل هذا بآلهتنا إنه لمن الظالمين.
They said, who has done this to our gods? Certainly he is a criminal.
قالوا سمعنا فتى يذكرهم يقال له إبراهيم.
They said, we heard a youth speaking ill of them. He is called Ibrahim.
قالوا فأتوا به على أعين الناس لعلهم يشهدون.
They said, so bring him before the eyes of the people that they may testify.
قالوا أأنت فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم.
They said, did you do this to our gods, O Ibrahim?
قال بل فعله كبيرهم هذا فاسألوهم إن كانوا ينطقون.
He said, rather the large one among them must have done it. So ask them if they speak.
فرجعوا إلى أنفسهم فقالوا إنكم أنتم الظالمون.
So they returned to their consciences, then said to themselves, indeed you yourselves are the unjust.
ثم نكسوا على رؤوسهم لقد علمت ما هؤلاء ينطقون.
Then they relapsed into disbelief and said, you know that they cannot speak.
قال أفتعبدون من دون الله ما لا ينفعكم شيئا ولا يضركم.
He, Ibrahim, said, so do you worship other than Allah that which neither benefits you in any way nor harms you?
أف لكم ولما تعبدون من دون الله أفلا تعقلون.
Shame on you and that which you worship other than Allah. Do you not have intelligence?
قالوا حرقوه وانصروا آلهتكم إن كنتم فاعلين.
They said, burn him and help your gods if you are going to take action.
قلنا يا نار كوني بردا وسلاما على إبراهيم.
We said, O fire, become cool and safe for Ibrahim.
وأرادوا به كيدا فجعلناهم الأخسرين.
They intended evil against him, so we made them the worst losers.
ونجيناه ولوطا إلى الأرض التي باركنا فيها للعالمين.
We delivered him and Lut to the land in which we placed blessings for the people of the world.
ووهبنا له إسحاق ويعقوب نافلة وكلا جعلنا صالحين.
And we granted him Ishaq and Yaqub too. We made all of them chosen people.
وجعلناهم أئمة يهدون بأمرنا وأوحينا إليهم فعل الخيرات وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة وكانوا لنا عابدين.
We made them leaders who guide with our command, and we sent revelation to them of doing virtuous deeds and establishing the prayer and giving zakat, and they worshipped us.
ولوطا آتيناه حكما وعلما ونجيناه من القرية التي كانت تعمل الخبائث إنهم كانوا قوم سوء فاسقين.
And we granted Lut a kingdom and knowledge and gave him salvation from the village which committed vile acts. They were evil, disobedient people.
وأدخلناه في رحمتنا إنه من الصالحين.
And we caused him to enter our mercy. He was among the chosen people.
ونوحا إذ نادى من قبل فاستجبنا له فنجيناه وأهله من الكرب العظيم.
And remember Nuh when he called before Ibrahim. Then we accepted his supplication. So we granted him and his family salvation from great sorrow.
ونصرناه من القوم الذين كذبوا بآياتنا إنهم كانوا قوم سوء فأغرقناهم أجمعين.
And we helped him against people who denied our verses. They were evil people, so we drowned them all.
وداود وسليمان إذ يحكمان في الحرث إذ نفشت فيه غنم القوم وكنا لحكمهم شاهدين.
And remember when Dawood and Suleiman were judging the matter of the crops ruined by the sheep of a tribe that strayed into them at night? We were observing their judgment.
ففهمناها سليمان وكلا آتينا حكما وعلما وسخرنا مع داود الجبال يسبحن والطير وكنا فاعلين.
So we made Suleiman understand it, and we granted them both dominion and knowledge. And we subjugated the mountains and the birds with Dawood, that they praise Allah, and we did this.
وعلمناه صنعة لبوس لكم لتحصنكم من بأسكم فهل أنتم شاكرون.
We taught him how to make armor for you to protect you against the affliction of war. So will you be grateful?
ولسليمان الريح عاصفة تجري بأمره إلى الأرض التي باركنا فيها وكنا بكل شيء عالمين.
And the strong wind for Suleiman, it moves with his command towards the land in which we placed blessings, and we know everything.
ومن الشياطين من يغوصون له ويعملون عملا دون ذلك وكنا لهم حافظين.
And some malicious jinn who dived for him and would carry out other tasks too, and we had prevented them from transgression.
وأيوب إذ نادى ربه أني مسني الضر وأنت أرحم الراحمين.
And remember Ayub when he called out to his Lord, indeed affliction has befallen me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful.
فاستجبنا له فكشفنا ما به من ضر وآتيناه أهله ومثلهم معهم رحمة من عندنا وذكرى للعابدين.
So we accepted his supplication. Then we removed that which he was afflicted with. We granted him, his family and their equivalent with them as mercy from us and advice for the worshippers.
وإسماعيل وإدريس وذا الكفل كل من الصابرين.
And remember Ismail, Idris and Dhul Kifl, they were patient.
وأدخلناهم في رحمتنا إنهم من الصالحين.
We caused them to enter our mercy. They are among the chosen people.
وذا النون إذ ذهب مغاضبا فظن أن لن نقدر عليه فنادى في الظلمات أن لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين.
And remember the Noon, Yunus, when he departed in anger, thinking we would not constrict him. But then he called out in the darkness, "There is no God but you. You are pure from every fault. Indeed, I have misjudged."
فاستجبنا له ونجيناه من الغم وكذلك ننجي المؤمنين.
So we accepted his supplication and we granted him salvation from grief, and thus we grant salvation to the people of faith.
وزكريا إذ نادى ربه رب لا تذرني فردا وأنت خير الوارثين.
And remember Zachariah when he beseeched his Lord, "My Lord, do not leave me childless. You are the best of successors."
فاستجبنا له ووهبنا له يحيى وأصلحنا له زوجه إنهم كانوا يسارعون في الخيرات ويدعوننا رغبا ورهبا وكانوا لنا خاشعين.
So we accepted his supplication, granted him Yahya, and made his wife fertile for him. They hastened towards virtuous deeds, and they called upon us with great hope and utmost awe, completely humbled before us.
والتي أحصنت فرجها فنفخنا فيها من روحنا وجعلناها وابنها آية للعالمين.
And remember the woman, Maryam, who protected her chastity. So we blew a special soul into her from us, and made her and her son a sign for all the people of the world.
إن هذه أمتكم أمة واحدة وأنا ربكم فاعبدون.
This is your religion, one religion, and I am your Lord, so worship me alone.
وتقطعوا أمرهم بينهم كل إلينا راجعون.
And they have broken their religion among themselves. All will return to us.
فمن يعمل من الصالحات وهو مؤمن فلا كفران لسعيه وإنا له كاتبون.
So whosoever does righteous deeds while he is a believer, then his endeavor shall not be devalued, and we record it for him.
وحرام على قرية أهلكناها أنهم لا يرجعون.
It is impossible for the community that we have destroyed to ever return.
حتى إذا فتحت يأجوج ومأجوج وهم من كل حدب ينسلون.
Until when Ya'juj and Ma'juj will be released, and they will descend quickly from every height.
واقترب الوعد الحق فإذا هي شاخصة أبصار الذين كفروا يا ويلنا قد كنا في غفلة من هذا بل كنا ظالمين.
And the true promise has drawn near. So then the eyes of the disbelievers shall remain open. O destruction for us! We were in heedlessness in this regard. Rather, we were oppressors.
إنكم وما تعبدون من دون الله حصب جهنم أنتم لها واردون.
Indeed, you and that which you worship other than Allah are all the fuel of hell. You will enter it.
لو كان هؤلاء آلهة ما وردوها وكل فيها خالدون.
Had they been gods, they would not have entered it, and all of them shall remain therein forever.
لهم فيها زفير وهم فيها لا يسمعون.
For them there will be braying therein, and they will not hear anything therein.
إن الذين سبقت لهم منا الحسنى أولئك عنها مبعدون.
Those for whom goodness from us has been promised previously, they shall be kept away from it, hell.
لا يسمعون حسيسها وهم فيما اشتهت أنفسهم خالدون.
They shall not hear its slightest sound, and they will reside within that which their hearts desire forever.
لا يحزنهم الفزع الأكبر وتتلقاهم الملائكة هذا يومكم الذي كنتم توعدون.
The greatest bewilderment will not sadden them, and the angels shall welcome them. This is your day which you were promised.
يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل للكتب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده وعدا علينا إنا كنا فاعلين.
Remember the day we will roll up the sky the way the angel Sijil rolls up the records of deeds, just as we originated the first creation. We shall resurrect it. This is a promise from us, and certainly we will do this.
ولقد كتبنا في الزبور من بعد الذكر أن الأرض يرثها عبادي الصالحون.
And we certainly wrote in the true palms, Zabur, after the advice that my righteous people will inherit that land.
إن في هذا لبلاغا لقوم عابدين.
In this Quran, there is sufficient content for those who worship.
وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين.
And we sent you not, but as mercy for all the worlds.
قل إنما يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فهل أنتم مسلمون.
Say, it is only revealed to me that your God is one God, so do you become Muslims?
فإن تولوا فقل آذنتكم على سواء وإن أدري أقريب أم بعيد ما توعدون.
So if they turn away, then say, I have informed you equally. I do not know whether that which you are promised is near or far.
إنه يعلم الجهر من القول ويعلم ما تكتمون.
Allah knows that which is spoken aloud, and He knows that which you conceal.
وإن أدري لعله فتنة لكم ومتاع إلى حين.
And I do not know whether it may be a trial for you, and a provision for a specified time.
قال رب احكم بالحق وربنا الرحمن المستعان على ما تصفون.
He, the Prophet ﷺ said, O my Lord, judge with the truth, and our Lord the infinitely gracious is the one from whom help is sought against that which you fabricate.